Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews, and today I have with me the Tecno Spark 5 and I'm coming to do an initial impression and unboxing of the Tecno Spark 5. Coming up next.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews, and like I said in the intro, this is an initial impressions and unboxing. This is not like a complete review. I'm going to open the box, see the phone, show you my reaction to what comes in the box and the specifications of the phone and whatnot. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. If you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision whenever you're making your next purchase, because phones are kind of expensive, but this phone is not. This phone sells for about $150 or less depending on the region, but the standout feature for me, at least looking at the box, is that this phone has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. So who will this phone be for? You can buy this phone for your dad, you can buy this phone for your mom. Hey, Father's Day is like today, if you're watching today or whenever you're watching it, but you can buy it for your dad or your mom. It comes with 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, which is pretty much okay for the people in that kind of target audience, or somebody who is now buying like a first phone, or somebody who is not too tech savvy but you want to get a person quite a decent phone which can last them like 2 days or more of normal use, and then also has like a pretty decent camera, has earphones, has a good fast charging adapter, and apart from that, like, it has a very big screen for consuming content like watching YouTube, playing games, or just like watching movies if that's your thing, where you watch movies on your phones. Apart from that, like, it has a 6.6-inch dot-in display. What that means is that it has a hole punch, like you can see on the box in the corner there. So like you have a very big display. 6.6 inches is quite a lot. Like, all the phones that I reviewed on my channel that a lot of people seem to like is the Huawei Nova 5T, and that even is a 6.26 inches. Like, I don't know, but phones nowadays are getting very, very big. Very soon we'll be having like 7 inches, 8 inches phones, and we're going to have tablets, like a phone the size of this box. Would you use a phone the size of this box? Hello? Crazy, right? Now on the box, it also says that it has a 13 megapixel AI quad camera, and that's another amazing thing because phones nowadays seem to like be increasing in the number of cameras you get. So in total, you get 5 cameras on this device, 4 at the back, 1 in front. And another phone that I reviewed on this channel, which I really like, I'm going to leave a card below, is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which was released like 2 years ago. But that phone today, you can buy it on Amazon for around $240, and it has just 2 cameras. But it looks like in 2020 most phones nowadays have like a minimum of 4 cameras, and the 4 cameras gives you a lot of options, especially considering the price. Like I said, a phone for about $150 giving you 4 cameras at the back, 1 in front, and a hole punch cutout is really impressive. And then the next thing is that this phone has 4G LTE, so you are assured of like fast browsing speeds. And finally, it has Android 10 right out of the box, so it has a lot of good things going for it. So let's see in the box what else comes with the phone. When you open the box, and before we even open the box, like, I don't know, this kind of design is pretty new to me. I've never seen a phone case which is different colored like this. Like, there's blue and there's yellow. I don't know if that's like the Spark branding or logo or whatever. Let me know in the comments. But apart from that, this one also has a 1 year plus 1 month warranty, so it's a pretty good deal for like middle, income people or low income people, and for third world countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Brazil, Philippines, those kind of countries where people are very sensitive to price versus value, like India and stuff like that. It's a really good bargain, especially for 5,000 milliamperes. If you're in Nigeria, NEPA, you don't have like constant supply of electricity, so you want a phone that when you buy and the light goes out for a week, you still probably have enough juice to use. In the box, you get the phone, and this is how the phone looks like. This particular version has like a black blue gradient design. The back is made of plastic and the front is made of glass. At the back, it has the 4 cameras, and then it also has a fingerprint sensor. Now, like I said, this phone is pretty tall, so My finger needs a little bit of adjusting to be able to reach the fingerprint sensor. And apart from that, it uses 2 SIMs and also has space for expandable storage. And one amazing thing I like about this phone is that it has like a flash in front. So not only does it have a flash at the back, it has flash in front so that you can take really good selfies at night. So in terms of build quality, it feels kind of heavy. It doesn't, though it's plastic at the back, it doesn't feel too light. Okay, it feels really good. Also in the box, you get a fast charging adapter, a USB cable. It's not USB-C, but at least for the price you're getting it, it's pretty okay. 3.5mm earphone jack, amazing. It also comes with a case, a clear plastic case. Pretty good. It fits very well on the phone. So like I said, these are my very first impressions, and I'm going to do a very detailed review. So let me know what kind of content you would like to see when I do the full detailed review. Do you want to see how the camera performance is or the general performance is? Do you want to see like the speaker quality? Do you want to see how long the battery lasts on a day-to-day use? Whatever it is, let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to make many follow-up videos on the Tecno Spark 5 and possibly compare it to other options within the same price range. I would love to compare this to the Huawei Nova 5T and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus that I mentioned. Every phone I mentioned is going to be in the description below, so you can always go and check out my other reviews of those phones. And then if you want to purchase them too, there are links that you can check out. Thanks, be great.